Yeah, man, I like that. I like that setup there, that truck. Even though I'm not a fan of driving those trucks, but that mulch mate on that truck there—that's pretty cool. Never seen nothing like it before, but it literally puts a mulch right in your wheelbarrow. Tell you what, the things that people come up with is pretty cool. Humanity is pretty cool. Oh yeah. The thing has a good turning radius too. I wonder if he has a backup camera in there anywhere. Wow. Looks like he got his son along or something. That's super cool.